Hello, welcome to Kita's Garden. I am Kita. Thank you so much for tuning in. I am a gardener in growing zone 8B, Texas. It's very hot here today. The sun is beaming, but I am getting ready to pull some of my onions that I've been working on since October of 2025. Thank you again, and let's get to it. Here's my onion bed that I'm getting ready to harvest. As you can see, the onion tops have fallen over. Get in there and see how the tops have fallen over. As you can see, some of the onion tops have fallen over. That's a clear indication that the onions are ready to be harvested. And I'm ready for them to be harvested. And also, take a look at what my birds have done in my garden bed. They've dropped some bird seed in my garden bed and it's producing wheat in my onions. Isn't that interesting? Can you see here? The onions are bent over. That's a clear indication that the onions are ready to be harvested. So let's get to harvesting. I'm getting ready to pull this big onion right here. This will be my first ever onion that I have harvested successfully. These were a sampler pack from, don't give me the line. I can't remember the name of the company. Some of them are red Creole, some of them are white, and some of them are yellow onion. So it's a mixture in this bed. Let's see. Oh, look at the little baby. Look at the little baby. All right, garden family, the harvest is completed. Altogether, I harvested 112 onions, red, white, and yellow. I thank God for me being able to accomplish this goal of mine that I've had for over a year. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.